Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new Reel Remix option available on Instagram on your Android phone. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this was introduced in July 2022 for the iPhone. Recently, I have just seen it on my Android phone. So let me show you how it works. Before we begin, let's update the Instagram app. So you can do this by going into the Play Store and updating it there. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now go into your Reels tab at the bottom. Scroll through the Reels and select which Reel you want to remix to. Once you've selected, tap on the three dots here. Then tap on Remix Original Reel. Now here you've got two options, with original video and after original video. After original video will do what it says. It'll keep the original video first, then you can record your video after that. But with original video, you have many different options. So go ahead and press that. Now you'll come to this screen where you'll see the original video on the left hand side and your recorded video on the right hand side. Here at the bottom left, you have an option to change your mode. So currently is on vertical. You've got horizontal. You've got picture in picture. And you've got the green screen effect. So in the vertical, you have the video on the left and the video on the right. In horizontal, you have the video at the top and the video at the bottom. In picture, you have the original video in a small box. You can use your finger to resize it and move it anywhere you like. And then in the green screen effect, you have yourself in the video. And again, using your fingers, you can basically resize and move it anywhere you like. Now you can go ahead and remix the reel with more freedom and create your very own Instagram reels. So those were the new remix reel options available on the Android Instagram app. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.